full case flawless recap. We got James Morgan, 3 of 15. Harrison Smith, 1 of 15. Jalen Rieger, 1 of 5. Lawrence Taylor, 2 of 20. Jalen Rieger, 13 of 15. Jake Fromm, 15 of 20. Derrick Henry, A.J. Brown, 23 of 25. Justin Tucker, 19 of 20. Fletcher Cox, 3 of 25. Fitzpatrick, 19 of 20. Derrick Henry, flawless symbols. Don't know what that is. 2 of 25. Michael Pittman. Joshua Kelly, 2 of 10. Justin Herbert, 20 of 25. Claypool, 4 of 10. 16 of 20. Chase Young. 12 of 20. Dion. These are the color matching. 1 of 2. Dan Marino. Tua. Adam Thielen. 2 of 2. 8 of 10. Terry Bradshaw. And last but not least, what are we at? What is that? What was it? 6 of 10. 6 of 10. Tua. Nice hit. Nice hit, guys. All right, guys. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Got some Topps Tier 1 coming. Just going to dump it. Pretty cheap. Got to get rid of it before I leave on vacation. So, all right, guys. Have a good one. Thank you. Appreciate it. And I will talk to you all soon. Later.